You are taking so many things from Krishna. Krishna is giving you everything. Bahunam vidadhati kaman. Whatever our necessities of life, that is being supplied by Krishna. You are taking these fruits, flowers, grains. It is not possible to manufacture this in your factory. It is Krishna sending, Krishna giving you. So, we are living at the cost of Krishna, and after cooking these fruits, flowers or grains, if you do not offer to Krishna, is that very good gentlemanliness? I take so much from you, and simply, nicely and very cleanly cooking the foodstuff, if we offer to Krishna, then what is wrong there? The rascals, they said, they are heathens. They are worshipping some stone. You see. So these are all less intelligent persons. God eats. Krishna says, Tadahang asnami. I eat. Patram puspam phalam toyam jomi bhaktya prajachati. Tadahang asnami. Bhakta upuritam. Krishna says that my devotee, when he brings something within the categories of vegetables, grains and fruits, because he has brought with devotion and love, I eat them. So when the devotee offers with devotion and love, Krishna, you have given us so many nice things, so I have cooked it. Kindly you take first. Oh, how it is nice. Just like your father has given you so many things, and you are obliged of our father is maintaining us. And if you cook something and give it to the father first, my dear father, I have cooked this. It is very nice. Oh, it is very nice. All right, give me. The father will be so much pleased. Oh, here is my dear son. It is father's property. You cannot give anything to the father. So immediately you have nothing to offer to Krishna. Simply you have to become little intelligent, that's all. Not rascal.